I love our YouTube community because I learned through reading the comments and answering the comments that you call this number 11. Well, I have number 11. And you see, my number 11 is deep, but I realized that when I have better sleep, it's not as deep. Did you notice that? Okay, let's do this. When we go to sleep, let's watch the time. And I'm going to do that because I am very guilty. I don't sleep well. I have 4 hours, 5 hours of sleep, and that's max for me. Sometimes I go for 2 days without sleep. And when that happens, everything is pronounced, like my eye bags here. I have fatty eye bags here. I have my number 11, maybe my wrinkles right now. But I had a good sleep last night. I think I slept for 6 hours, so that's good. I have to try my best to sleep more. But otherwise, it's not as pronounced. But I have number 11. I would say that the number one tip that we are probably oblivious to is sleep. Because I notice that if I have good sleep, my wrinkles are not very angry at me. And my number 11 is not as bad. And my fatty eye bag, see, I have a lot of problems. This is not as bad. Let's give it all a try, ladies, because sometimes these little organic things, these little privileges that we have, the blessings that we have, like sleep, rest, are sometimes ignored. And they're actually the ones that will solve our problem. Let's sleep lots and let's drink a lot of water. Also, another tip, if water is not very enticing to you, because I hate drinking water, it has to have color. It has to have fruit flavoring, the one that has no sugar. So I have to have that. Otherwise, I'm not drinking lots of water. Or it has to have a lemon slice in there. The fact that there's flavor, doesn't matter what. As long as it's lemon or citrus or berry, I'm good with that because water is really good. So those are the tips I'm going to share right now. If you want to have less wrinkles on your forehead and it's organic, no Botox, no injections, no fillers, no nothing, no tapes or whatever, nothing, no massage or whatever. Just sleep and hydrate yourself. Those two little babies could be the solution to our perennial problems. I wanted to just share my new pillow from Zaamat Blue Dot. Ta-da! I had to try this before I talked about it. So I received this on December 5th. I have a problem sleeping because I'm very active. I have a very active mind. If I do not sleep by 12 or 1, I won't be able to sleep at all. And I'm going to go 2 days, 48 hours without sleep. And it's very hard for me to go back to sleep. When I was younger, I had insomnia for 10 months. I would sleep at 6 in the morning and wake up at 7. I had to see a doctor back then, and he told me that if you keep turning sleep away, one day it's going to turn you away. And that's exactly what happened. Now that I'm older, when I'm anxious, when I'm excited, I won't be able to sleep. And since I had this, I had been able to sleep regardless of my anxiety or excitement. This is where I put my head. This is called the head support area. Here's the shoulder support area, and that's your arm support area. And if you're a back sleeper, this is how you lie down on the pillow. This pillow has no odors. The Blue Dot Ultra Memory Foam Button Pillow is made with top-notch, odorless, and safe memory foam to ensure comfortable and refreshing sleep. I injured my back in 2017. In 2018, I actually had sciatica, and right now my back pain is worse. And this one helps me sleep, especially when you're in pain. You want to be able to sleep, right? So this has so many benefits, not just sleeping. It really helps me relax. You can grab this and get a 15% discount. The link to Zaamat is in the description of my video. Thank you so much, Zaamat. I have never had an amazing sleep until I had your pillow. Thank you so much for listening, for watching. I love you all, and I really appreciate you commenting on my videos and sharing your stories and sharing your tips. Bye for now.